Model 70-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.335 BlueHDi 140S and S6SPEED Pro L2H2 needs engine repair. Body white, panel van. Mileage 92,814 MOT. The 25th of October 2024. Engine 2179 cc/dw12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: none. Runner, the bottom end is knocking. The injectors have been removed for diagnosis, so the engine will need repairing or replacing. All of the parts are with the vehicle, nothing missing at all. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, air con, sat-nav, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, 9,000.